Hello, welcome. So my name is Hyeyoung. I am a choir director here at Woodgate Intermediate School. Why I choose to teach choir is because when I was a student, when I was their age, I was a super shy student, like super duper shy. But choir was the only place where I can truly enjoy myself, where I could truly express myself. So now as a teacher, I want to provide the same environment to the students where they can truly enjoy, where they can express themselves and explore themselves to be a better person every day. So in choir, they will learn first thing, how to sing. Second thing, how to sing properly, like how they use their mouth shape. As a choir singer, their mouth should be like open tall, and how to sing by using their singing voice, not speaking voice. And also they will learn how to rhythm read, which is when they see the music, they're gonna know how to count, how they're using their body to count, and also they're gonna learn how to sight reading, which is when they see the music, they're gonna know right away. Without hearing it, they're gonna learn how to sing it right away. And that's gonna take a lot of practice, which is I am already grateful how my students are working hard and they're really on top level. And I push them really hard, but they are getting this, and then they were really excited being here, which is I'm very glad that my students are having fun and how we are having fun as a choir and we are learning. Also, they are learning this concert music, and in choir, as a choir, we are going to have this 4 big concert. It's gonna be the fall concert first, which is gonna happen in October 14th. Then our winter concert. Then we have a spring concert that's between like February, March-ish. Then end of year concert. That's gonna be their 4 formal concert, which all of the choir student has to be attend. That's gonna be requirement. It's gonna be their big major grade. Getting ready for the concert, we are learning how to sing in the choir music, and then we are going to learn how to stand properly as a professional musician, how we gonna stand on the stage, and then how we are going to behave as a professional singer. The most important thing my student needs to know in order to be success in the choir is that they should never give up. And also choir is a teamwork. It's not an individual thing. So they need to understand that they always need to be participating. They always need to bring their best every day because like I said, it's a teamwork. So if one student start being lazy, it's gonna affect the whole group. So it is really important that they understand the choir is family, choir is a teamwork. As a parent, the best way that you can support your child is to success is to let them enjoy music or sing with them. Actually, you can imagine how you just turn on this Disney song and your child gonna be sing with joy, sing with proud. In choir, every Friday, if one class earned this Fun Friday, which is they show this great focus, respect, participation throughout the week, they earn this Fun Friday, and I just play this Disney song, and they sing along with fun and joy and all this energy. Yes, they are having fun, but also they are sound amazing while they're having fun. It's really a joy to sing with them, and it will be really great if you can encourage them singing, encourage them with music during the day. When you get home with them, when you're on the riding with the car with them, just play music, let them sing. But also, I want you to sing with your child. That's gonna be a great way to let them encourage about singing in front of others, and it's gonna be a great moment. Trust me. My promise to you this year would be fun, not just fun. They're learning a lot, but I think choir should be the place where they can have fun, where they can have mental break. They're working really hard during the day. They're working really hard in these other classes. So I want them to be kind of relaxed. I want them choir to be a safe nest where they can relax, but also learning. So that's my promise for this year. The best way you can reach out to me is email. It's Hyeyoung, HYEYOUNG.KU at midwayisd.org. I do check my email like frequently, but please understand I do go sleep early. So if I did not reach out to you by the night, I will definitely reach out to you next day as soon as possible. But emailing is fine, or you can always call me when my conference period is, which is gonna be third period. It's gonna be, hold on, let me see, between 10:32 and 11:28. That's gonna be my conference period. So you may call me anytime between that period, which is gonna be my extension is gonna be give me a sec. So my extension gonna be 4231. 4231. That's gonna be my extension number. So yes, please call me if you need to. Again, it's gonna be 10:32 through 11:28 a.m. That's gonna be my conference period. So you may call me anytime. But otherwise, like email gonna be much faster. So yay. So thank you for watching. Choir, yay.